Good day everyone, I am Sintichi B. Omamalin from BS Math 21. So for today's video, I'm going to do the common laboratory operation. Before we start, make sure to wear proper PPE and laboratory attire which help minimize the potential for skin exposure to hazardous chemicals. Procedure number 1, which is measuring and estimating liquid volume. So, we are going to fill 10 ml of water to an empty cup from 1 glass of water using a medicine dropper. Next, we are going to estimate 2 ml from a 10 ml of water using a medicine dropper and repeat this process until you can exactly estimate 2 ml in just 2 pumps. So, as you can see on my first try, it exceeds in 2 ml, which is 2.3. So was my second try. And here in my third try, I almost got 2 ml, but in my fourth try, I finally estimated 2 ml. So it took me until 4 tries until I estimated it correctly. Then, this time, we are going to estimate 5 ml from a 10 ml of water. Same process until you exactly estimate 5 ml in just 5 pumps. Here, you see that I directly estimated 5 ml in just one try, so I repeated, which my second try also estimated 5 ml, so this only took me in just one try. Then lastly, we're going to estimate 10 ml from a 10 ml of water. Same process until you exactly estimate 10 ml in 10 pumps. So here in my first try, I almost estimated it, which is only 9.9 ml. But on my second try, I finally estimated it in 10 ml. So it took me 2 tries before I finally estimated it correctly. Procedure number 2, which is transferring liquids. So I have here a glass with a 3/4 full of water and empty glass and a spoon. So I'm going to transfer the water slowly to an empty glass with the use of spoon. In this process, the spoon represents as the way of flowing of water to avoid spillage. Procedure number 3, which is the precipitation. In this part, we are going to use a 3/4 glass of soft drink and a liquid milk. So we add an amount of liquid milk into a 3/4 glass of soft drink slowly to avoid spillage. So finally, after a few minutes, we can see the solid phosphate formed rest at the bottom of the glass, which we called it precipitation. Procedure number 4, which is filtration. In this process, we filtrate the resulting mixture in operation 3. So in this process, I am using a funnel, a spoon directly to the empty clear glass to avoid spillage, and I am using a clean cloth since I don't have a cheesecloth, and a big spoon used to push the precipitation to filtrate. So you can see to this result after we filtrate the precipitation. Procedure number 5, which is decantation. In this procedure, we add about 5 ml of water in the precipitate we reserved in operation 4. Then mix well. Allow the precipitate to settle to the bottom of the glass. So, after a few minutes, you can see the solid was separating from a liquid, and we called it decantation. And we are using an empty clear glass because to slowly and carefully pour off the supernatant liquid. Procedure number 6, which is evaporation. Finally, in this procedure, we're going to see the solid resulting from such an operation, which is called a residue. The things we have in here is a 50 ml of tap water with 1/2 tablespoon of salt, the filtrate, pan, and a burner. But I am using a stove since I don't have a Bunsen burner. So let us turn on the fire in low heat to avoid burning, and we are going to pour the filtrate, then followed by the water with the salt in it. Use a spoon to scrape. Slowly heat the filtrate to allow the liquid to evaporate. So in this part, you can already see the white crystal formed, and continue scraping to avoid burning. Since all the liquid has been evaporated, turn off the gas and allow the contents to cool. The white crystal we see here is what we called a residue, the solid resulting.